Today's home workout is my 5-minute bust lift. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be working today two really key areas. We're going to work the pectorals major, so that's the chest muscle. We're also going to really focus on your Coopers ligament. So this is like nature's bra strap. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. I've created you a really lovely routine that flows. We're going to start with a little bit of mobility, then the workout. We've got 8 exercises and then a cool down stretch. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to start with a quick warm up. Just follow along and we just do these little side taps and just these elbow bends. And the point of this is simply just to increase your core body temperature and just mobilize your upper body joints. And now just give me a little punch across. This just means that when we do your actual bust lifting workout, this is just really preparing your body so we get the best results. Reach it across. Now just give me these big sunshine arms. So we're just lubricating and warming up your shoulder joint, elbow joints. That's good. Ready for that workout. Nice control. All right, so let's get ready and do your workout now. So I'm just going to show you a preview of the first move. So if you want to come into this position, we're going to start with this move, which is the L bend squeeze. So knees are bent, arms up in an L shape. Now squeeze your arms in, open and close, and keep that going. We're doing this for a duration of 30 seconds. You can see your timer bar on the right. So we've got 8 moves. We're going to go non-stop. All of these are going to help to naturally lift your bust. Keep those elbows at shoulder height for me. Squeeze that in and then back. That's good. Keeping that nice control. Then we're going to take it straight to exercise 2. So for this, use your palms and place them on your forearms and just do tiny little squeezes. This is called firm your breast palm squeeze, and you'll really feel that working. What we're doing here is we're activating the Coopers ligament, so this is going to help to really lift your bust. Keeping that going. We're over halfway on this one and keeping that nice control. That's good. So this is move 2 out of 8. And we're going to go straight to now exercise 3. So this one here, just have palms facing in and just imagine you're trying to squeeze something together. It's important you keep your fingertips in line with the shoulders. That's good. So this one I'm calling the tighten your Coopers ligament pulse. And you'll really feel this in that area that we're wanting to work. Keeping that going. That's good. All right, so next one, again, you've got your hands on your forearms, just lift your arms all the way up and then come back down. So this one here, we're calling the bust lift up press. So you're lifting it up and then coming back. And this one here is also going to really help with our posture. It's a really lovely, nice controlled exercise. Knees stay bent. It's important, I always say this, to engage your core. So just keep those tummy muscles pulled in. That helps just protect your back and helps give you good alignment. So next one, this is a really fun one. Just imagine now you are swimming. Now the key with this one is really extend that movement. Make that movement as big as you can and really draw those arms back. And you're going to really feel this through your chest, through those pectoral major muscles. That's good. Nice control. Doing really well. So this one here is exercise 5. Now this one, a lovely one. So really press your palms tight together, push in front and draw back. Now the key with this, while you're doing this now, really squeeze those hands, try and press as tight and you'll feel that activating that Coopers ligament. All right, doing really well. So this is move 6, the palm press. That's it, nice control, keep that going. We've just got 2 more moves. And just keep thinking about what you're doing and your reason why we're here. All right, so next one, it's a really fun one. Fingertips are on your shoulders and try and get your elbows to touch and open that out wide. So this one here, again, we're still working through other areas. So we're working the shoulders, working the back, but we're also really activating that pectorals major, that chest muscle. And just draw that in and back. That's good. And then we're going to get ready for our final move. Then we'll do some stretches. This is a really lovely one. So palms face the ceiling and just draw your arms, the hands together and then open wide. And the key thing with this, take your arms out as wide as you can and just feel that open up through your chest. So this is how we're naturally lifting your bust. And the great thing is with this workout, you can do this every single day. It's completely safe. It's amazing for your joint health, for your posture as well. And we're just using body weight. And we are now done. So what I would say is just shake out your arms. Let's just do a quick stretch to just realign your body. It's important to just stick with me and do these. Take your arms behind. What we're doing now is we're stretching through those chest muscles. Holding that there. That's good. And now let's just bring those arms in front and just feel that lovely stretch through the top of the upper back. And do let me know, as said in the comments, if there's any more of these workouts you would like, and just feel that through the back of the tricep. I can't believe Princess Sultana has not moved at all. She's so warm there. And now let's do the other arm. And just bring that across. This is now just stretching through your shoulder, through the deltoid, and take that to the other side. And that is your workout complete. So high five, you did it, and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.